Okay, now you can say the temperature is rising about to 870. Now it's 867. Okay, you can say now is the best temperature about 870, and the button has back. Yes. Okay. So that means when the temperature is about to 870, the red button will be automatic jump stop. Yes, and the temperature is naturally lowered. You can say it's lowering. And the high temperature oven can be fully opened after 185 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature is lowering. We can waited for to about 185 degrees Celsius.